Okay, here is okay to all right, to crop and optimize a photo from the web, we're going to go ahead and go to open from computer. We'll select our photo. Then we're going to come over here to this like box. It's like the fourth tool down. It's called the crop tool. We'll click on that. We want to change our aspect ratio here. So we want to say fixed size. This is where you can enter in whatever the size of the image that we're cropping to. So in this example, we'll use like a hero image and we'll say it's like 1600 by 900. For the DPI, you always want to use 72. That's just how the web photos on the web. So now we can take this box and it'll always be 1600 by 900. It's going to like always size it proportionally. So we might want to like kind of stretch it out a little bit here. We want to make sure that you're not going over the edge because then if you look on the sides here, you'll end up with white space in the image. So it'll kind of snap right there to the sides. We might want to pull it down a little bit. And yeah, so we can crop the image and then we'll hit this check mark at the top. So we'll have our image there. We want to go file, export as WebP, and you can rename it if you want. You don't really need to. The important thing is that we have it as WebP format. You can see that was the size 1600 by 900 that we had, and then you can adjust the quality. Generally, you want to do somewhere between 70 to 80%. Like 75 is generally a good number there. We're going to hit save, and there we go. We have our cropped image now ready to upload to the website.